Good morning, everyone. Oh, man. Don't mind the sleepy in my eyes, and oh, man. Okay. So, I don't know. I always like the idea of vlogging, and then I get intimidated by it, because I hate filming out in public, and I don't... Fred has a bone, of course, because I'm talking to the camera. But I get intimidated, and I don't know what to talk about or what to do. I mean, my life's very boring. I don't do anything any extra special. I mean, for a long time I worked, like I said, I worked in the restaurant industry, and I would try to vlog, like, to and from and before work and all that stuff, but Fred, jeez, stop. Calm it down, dude. Between him chewing on his bone and the cat over there munching on his dry food, he's just, oh my god, it's loud in here this morning. I can never just have a peaceful, quiet morning. Ever, but that's okay. Kind of chose this life, so, with, animals, but it's okay. Got some pimples on my chin because it's that time. Hooray, fun. Yeah, I don't know. I might figure out, this is gonna be like I hate to call it a scrapbook because Kellyanne Maddox does that and did that, so I don't want to like steal the name from her, but I guess it's just gonna be a video compilation of different days and stuff. If I remember to film, I don't know. It's just gonna be a bunch of bits and pieces kind of crushed together throughout maybe, I haven't decided how long, a few days maybe. It's currently a Wednesday. It's the Wednesday before Christmas. Oh, it's Yule. Ha, hey, look at that. It's Yule. I don't have any plans to celebrate this year. Clearly, as you can see, I've decorated so much. Maybe next year. Maybe next year I'll be in a bigger place and I'll have a better handle on things, and yeah, we'll see. So this is the first clip of this, whatever it is. I'm gonna do some journaling now, and I want to show you what I did with the front cover. So I did that with a wine cork dipped in paint. So if you're looking for stamp ideas, just a wine cork dipped in paint is a nice option for something round if you don't have anything. You could probably, like, the more rubbery ones, or the cork ones, I suppose you could carve into the end as well, as long as you're really careful with, like, a X-Acto knife or something like that. You could probably carve some shapes in the end. I might try that, actually. Coming up with ideas now. I mean, it's 5:30 in the morning, so don't mind me. I come up with all these ideas really early, and then I forget about them. But anyway... yeah, and then I added the sticker because she looks like Hermione a little bit. And then it's like two different stickers. So it's the girl and then the raven on the top, or blackbird or whatever. It's two separate things. Yeah, so I was on this, like, I'm gonna tell you the story about the stickers before I go here. I was on, like, it's called Sticky Club. And my friend recommended it a while ago, and I do it off and on, but it's basically like a monthly subscription service for stickers, and it's freaking amazing. You can pick your pack. You can get all three different kinds. There's like pop, vintage, and I don't know, like kawaii or something weird. I typically get, or yeah, so it's, oops, oh my gosh, I cannot hold the camera. It's a pop, vintage, and cute, I think, are the three. So kawaii would definitely fit into that category, but yeah, it's pretty cool. It's not just stickers. It comes with, like, I've gotten little, like, little like notebooks and stuff, and bookmarks. It's cool. I basically, what I do is I'll take them all now and I'll like pretty much doctor them to my own liking, because you know I'm kind of weird when it comes to ephemera and stuff for my journals, because I like them to be my own. I don't know. I've gotten past the buying things just because I like the way it looks thing. I kind of buy things because I like the way it looks, but then I'm not afraid to change it, if that makes any sense at all. I don't know. But yeah, that's the story behind the stickers. Sticky Club. This is not a promotion whatsoever. I'm not actually currently subscribed because of financial reasons right now. I just can't afford to have. It's like, so all three I was getting, it's like $40 a month, and even though that's pretty, I mean, that's like $10 a pack or $12 a pack, whatever it is, plus shipping and all that stuff. So I mean, it's a relatively decent deal, especially with the price of stickers. And these are like vinyl. These are really nice quality stickers. It's not like they're the paper stickers, or they're the really like fancier paper stickers, if that makes sense. They're not like the kind you'd find at the dollar store. But yeah, that's my little plug for today, I guess. This was literally 6 minutes of nothing, so I'm gonna go. And we'll see where the next clip takes us. Bye. Hi. So it is still Wednesday. It's still Yule, technically speaking. It's later on in the day. As you can tell by how dark it is, it's currently, I don't know, like 5:30 or something like that. 6 o'clock. I don't know what time it is. I tried to just swipe my phone, but it's not going to go because I'm on video. Duh. But we're currently at my altar for some much needed altar time, and Fred's going to join us with a bone. I need to get this out of the way. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, but I have a little avocado that I bought for Salem, the cat, and Fred now has commandeered it and started to chew on it. So now I have to put this away, find a new home for it for a while. Maybe I'll pick up a new one at some point. I don't know. Today was a day at work. It was long, it was arduous, it was taxing, physically involved. I work in aviation upholstery, and I'm working with the carpet department at the moment, and it's a lot of physical movement and pulling and arm strength that I don't have. So I'm working on it, but you know, right now I just don't have it, and I'm on my period and I'm tired, and it's been a day. So I'm at my altar. I took a hot bath, because my muscles are so sore. So that was nice, but I forgot to take into account that it is currently 40 degrees outside, which 40 degrees Fahrenheit in Cleveland in December, almost the end of December, is incredibly warm. Usually we've had at least about 6 inches of snow by now, so whatever. So I've got some ginger tea I'm drinking right now. This is the traditional medicinals ginger aid, so it's like good for digestion and stuff. I have 2 in here, and I want to read they have little proverbs and quotes and things on the little tea string thing. Plant kindness and gather love is one of them. I like that. Usually, if I find good ones, I'll save them. The ones that really resonate. What? Okay. Did I get it? You having some issues over there, Fred? He had some, like, I am sure you all heard that, like, weird, like, noise he was making. He had like a weird, like a piece of string or something attached to his bone, and he was trying to get it off his mouth. Oh, gross. I like this one. He who wants a rose must respect the thorn. A Persian proverb. I like that one. That's a good one. Yeah. Today is just going to be, I should really relax anyways. I was gonna do some, like, adulting things, like putting away my, like, folding my laundry that I washed on Saturday or Sunday. I never fold my laundry the same day that I wash it. Never. I can't bring myself to do it. So, like, one part of that chore is enough. Like, I try to treat my chores or daily or whatever adulting tasks as, like, cycles. So, like, I really need to do dishes right now, and I really need to fold and put away my laundry. So I'm at that stage in the cycle where I need to, because it's almost time for me to have to do them again. So laundry, that's a Sunday chore. It's a Sunday thing. So, excuse me. It's almost time for that again. So I need to get ready for that round of the cycle. And then dishes just need to get done, and I haven't done them recently, and they just are starting to pile up, and it's getting really annoying. And honestly, I hate the sight of a dirty sink, a full sink, but it is what it is. So I don't have a dishwasher, so I need to do the washing up, as they say in England. But instead, I ordered sushi. That should be here soon. And I'm gonna do some Fool's Journey journaling. On the lovers this month, I freaking forgot to do a video about the Hierophant. So, damn it. Now I'm like, I'm too far invested into this. I don't think I want to it's too far past the month. I don't know if I want to actually do it. I know, like, one video a month is not that hard to ask for, but I just completely keep forgetting about it. I don't know, maybe I'll include it in this vlog or something, like tomorrow or something. I don't know. It's one of those things, out of sight, out of mind. So now that it's completely out of sight, and I have the lovers card sitting up here, and I'm working with that and thinking about that and using those energies, it's kind of like, oh well, the Hierophant's kind of like, that was November, Allison. Should have done that a month ago. But, or, you know, whatever. I mean, it's every full moon, but should have done that last full moon. Oh well, too bad, too late. It's almost the end of December. I mean, I know it doesn't necessarily work that way, but that's the way I think about it. And it works like that in my head, so. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna do some journaling now. And think about the lovers and everything that they represent and how they represent and are, oops. Sorry for covering the lens. How they are represented in my life, and just, you know, how it's affecting me now, or that's kind of how I've been going about this Fool's Journey so far. I basically have taken each card and kind of journaled about how it's reflecting in my own life. So yeah. This one is kind of rough for me because I'm not getting over a breakup per se. I've been mourning the breakup for a while. I'm out of it now, but it's still something that kind of replays in my mind over and over again because it was such a pivotal relationship in my life. You know, like the first one after my divorce, the first one that, you know, gave me hope for a future. So losing it the way that I lost it, and how that all played out, it runs through my mind, and it's not guilty conscience kind of thing. It's more of like just I don't know. I have CPTSD, so I kind of process emotions a little bit longer than they should be processed because my brain just keeps going back and back and back and reanalyzing, and it's really frustrating. I've been journaling nonstop. I'm already pretty far. This journal I just started like in the beginning of November, maybe middle of November, like almost exactly a month ago, and I'm already that far. I mean, it's I'm chugging along, let's just say. I don't write in it necessarily. I don't write in it a lot every day, but I do try to write in it every day. So I'm babbling at this point. I don't remember what I was talking about to begin with. I don't remember what started this segment off really, but I'm going to eat my dark chocolate pretzel crunch bar that was gifted to me by a friend. Cry over my cramps, wait for my sushi, and journal about the lovers. And I'll see you guys in the next clip, wherever that may be or whenever it may be. Bye. Good morning, everyone. This is Fred. He's cute, right? And this is Salem. Hi, pretty kitty. So it's the morning of Thursday, December 22nd, and that is what happens whenever I talk to the camera. I don't know why. He just does it, so. Yep, that's all. That's all I wanted to show you this morning. That's all I got. In all seriousness, though, I mean, Christmas is gonna be here in a couple of days, and well, I'm not doing anything for it. Not anything. I'm not. Like, my dad had his family's Christmas party was on the 18th, so that's already done. And it's not really a party. It's not, we don't do gifts. It's just a nice time to see everyone. We have such a large family. I mean, my dad is the youngest of 10. There's so many grandkids. Not even everyone is able to show up, but like the ones that do show up, it's extra special. My cousin has been living in Dubai, working as like a swim coach, and she's just been working out in Dubai for I think like 3, 4, 5 years now or something like that. And she was back. She was able to make it this year because she was in for the holiday. But like, it's expensive to come back to Cleveland from Dubai every however long. So she comes back maybe once or twice a year or so. And this is the first time I've seen her in probably about 4 years. So it was really nice to see her. but yeah, that's, in my opinion, that's all Christmas should be. Like, you don't need the gifts. It's just, you know, potluck. Bring whatever it's just appetizers and desserts and stuff on a big table, and you just gather around and talk about life, and that's it. I mean, nobody asks, like, people ask how my job is and stuff, but, like, nobody's harping on you about money, and nobody's, like, there's no animosity on that side of the family, really. Like, everyone who has their problems, like, it doesn't affect anyone else. Like, they don't make it everyone else's problem. Like, I have no interest in doing that with my own issues with certain people. But it's mainly those in my own immediate family, like, so, but, like, I don't talk to my mother's side of the family anymore, and, for my own personal boundary and reasons, like, I don't want anything to do with them anymore, which was not it wasn't I guess in their eyes it was a quick decision, but, you know, like, there's no talking to people, there's no, like, being able to sit down and have a conversation about anything, because it always turns into, well, you know, I'm not that way, you're this way, or it turns into a big fucking thing, and that's not what I'm interested in. I'm not interested in getting the 3rd degree about my job, or being constantly asked how much money I'm making, or if I have health insurance, or all this other shit, and it's like, or my favorite is the inevitable, oh, I told you so, I told you should have gone into the trade. Well, no, you didn't. like, that's the kind of stuff, like, it's the constant gaslighting on my mother's side of the family that I just cannot handle or deal with, anymore, and I refuse to, and, that's just the way everyone is, the way they've always been, and they refuse to do any work, so it's a very lonely life, but here we are. I've done so much work on this subject, and I don't really want to talk about it too much. I'm not an expert on shadow work and healing from family trauma and setting boundaries and stuff, because, I mean, if I'm being honest, I probably didn't set the boundary in the right way with my mom, at least, and I know that now, but what's done is done, and it is what it is, you know. Anyway, those are just my morning thoughts, and for once, I don't actually dread the holiday. Typically, Christmas is one of those holidays that I just have immense anxiety over, that I can't pinpoint. Sorry, I'm playing with my hair a lot. It just looks super weird in camera, and it's very fine and thin, and I need a haircut, and I just need a haircut. It is Friday, the 23rd of December, and this is what it looks like outside right now. It's currently -4 degrees. Oh, it's already off. Oh, oops. -4 degrees outside. I'm about to head back in. I did have to work. Whoops. I unplugged my phone and apparently it stopped recording. So, yeah. I'm heading in from work. We worked a half day, but I'm getting paid for a whole day. Woohoo. This storm is pretty ridiculous, and I hope the wind dies down because I do have to go back out later and grab my grocery order. Because for me, even though it's Christmas weekend, it's just a normal weekend. I still need groceries. So hopefully I'll be able to get my car out of the parking lot later on. So, but yeah, this is ridiculous. It's just really windy. The snow is fine. It's just stupid windy. Visibility was pretty bad on my way to work this morning. Ugh. Yep, people still drive like trying to go normal speeds. It's pretty ridiculous around here. That's my update for today, and there's a plow. Mr. Plow, that's my name. Sorry, that's from The Simpsons, if anyone knows that reference. Okay, bye. That's enough for today. Good morning. It is now Tuesday, December 27th. It's been a few days since I filmed last. Don't mind me, I took a shower. So my hair is all wet still. I have very thin, fine hair. Actually, a few months ago, I ended up, like, as an aftermath of stress and just everything that I had been going through with my mental health. I lost like fistfuls of hair. So it's slowly growing back, but it's annoying. I need to get a haircut soon, which I am on the 7th of January, I believe. What do you want, a bone, Fred? Oh, I can't reach it from here. There you go, Freddy boy. Okay, then no, give me my pillow back. Alright, whatever. Yeah, I don't remember where I left off or what I was talking about in the last segment, because that's not the point of this vlog, I guess. Yeah, I guess I realized I haven't really shown you anything after, the storm. After the storm, I didn't really do anything. It was cold. It's still cold, but it's supposed to be, in the 50s next week, 60s, because degrees Fahrenheit, by the way. So that's stupid. All the snow that we got is gonna just be a soupy mess, and it's gonna be gross, but yeah. So I have some news, I guess. I never did film my video I had to catch up on my my videos for my Fool's Journey, which I'll get to that. It's just been really difficult to kind of remember to keep doing a video. I know it's not hard to make a video a month, but I like making more than one video a month if I can, so, you know, that's its own dedicated video, and it's kind of, I always, like, have it in mind and then I forget about it, and then I have it in mind and then I forget about it, because that's just the way my brain works, because fun times. So, I still need to catch up on a couple of months worth of videos. I might smash a couple of them into one. This month is the lovers, and so I don't really believe in coincidences per se, but you know, I think in hindsight that card kind of put something in my head to start thinking about, like, true love, what I really want and really need and desire in a partner. And it's really too soon to say, but I did meet the universe halfway, and you know, I used a dating app. It wasn't really, I made it very, very clear. My intention was not initially to look for, I need a best friend first. I need a friend first before we are incredibly serious or anything like that. Like, because all of my relationships so far have gone from fucking 0 to 60 in a matter of weeks. It happened with my ex-husband. It happened with my most recent ex-boyfriend. And I don't know why that happens. I don't know what it is about me that, I don't know if it's just because the men that I've been attracting so far don't have any boundaries, and I don't really have any. Well, I didn't have any boundaries, really, given my upbringing. So maybe that's why. I don't know. But now that, like, I'm in a much better place mentally, I'm not particularly looking for, I mean, ultimately I'm looking for my life partner, for real. But now that I'm not really, like, focused on that so much, I think, and I'm more comfortable with myself now. Jesus, that's so loud. I'm so sorry. I wonder if maybe the universe is giving me a handout or something. I don't know. I haven't done much in the ways of, I haven't been on the astral in a long time. I've done a couple of spells. I did a candle spell for my apartment, so maybe that helped. It was a protection candle, so it's a big candle. It's one of those bigger pillar candles, so it kind of covers all the bases, and it's one that, I don't burn it every day, but I burn it, like, when I'm home, I burn it a lot. Like, I burn it all day. I light it in the morning, and it's burning throughout the whole day. When I get home from work, if I remember, I'll light it, but, it's not like, I believe, personally, that the spell is always working. It's just more activated when the light is, when it's lit, so, just how I personally believe that particular spell is working. So yeah, I don't know if that Lover's card, really, I don't know, I think it kind of put out a beacon into the universe or something like that, maybe. And, to be honest, the new man friend thinks the same. We're also, I've never been with a Leo before. Like, I've never dated one. I don't even have any friends that are Leos. Like, I have a cousin that's a Leo. She and I are pretty much on the same page with, like, most things. And this new man friend's also a Leo, and it's very different. Very different. The energies between us are very matched, and it's very different. I've never felt equal, if that makes sense, to another, like, man friend before. There's always That is so loud. I'm so sorry. You are so loud, Fred. Why do you have to be so loud? You're so cute. You're so cute, but you're so loud. I don't know if, where was I going with that? Crap, forgot my thought. Forgot my train of thought. This is why I don't like, I try not to do shit like this. Anyway, yeah, I don't know. I've just never, the energies are really matched, and it's really weird because it's that fire energy though, like the Leo fire that, like, we're taking things very, very slow, but at the same time, neither one of us can deny the fire. Like, I don't know if that makes any sense. And he's not particularly spiritual in any way, but he's not opposed to it, I guess. So it's not like he believes in it, but he doesn't. I don't know. Like, he can't deny it. Okay, sorry. My alarm went off for my to let me know that it's 6 o'clock in the morning and I need to start getting ready for work. I mean, I'm ready for work, but food and all that stuff. So, yeah, with that being said, I think I'm going to close out this vlog. I hope it was relatively interesting. It's not really that interesting, to be honest. I'll try to do better. This is my first one, and hopefully there will be days that I'm going to try to make more of these. I really enjoy, like, filming little bits of things that happen and kind of throwing them all together, but I don't really have the ability to make it artistic right now. Like, I can sort of with iMovie on my phone, but it's so small and it's very hard to manage with my fingers, so it might not be completely like artsy-fartsy, but yeah, I also want to try to start filming some time lapses for paintings again, because it's been a while since I've done that, and I miss it a lot. That was probably my favorite thing to do as far as, like, making videos. I love watching those types of time-lapse videos, so it would be nice to kind of film them again, hopefully. So yeah, that's it. That's the end of the vlog. Happy New Year, happy holidays. The New Year's coming up here. I'm more excited for 2023 than I thought I would be, because, well, 2022 was a shit show of a year. It was a year of self-discovery and healing and a lot of pain and heartache and coming to grips with certain things, and it was a heavy year. Salem, cut that out. Sorry, the cat is all over the place. It was just a hard year, and hopefully 2023, with how I've progressed in my mental state and discovery, hopefully 2023 will be a lot better. So, fingers crossed. I have a new familiar, so that's a bonus. I met him in, like, I think November. He found me outside, and it's gonna be a good year. I think 2023 is gonna be a good year, and side note before I go completely, and maybe I'll make this into another video, a whole video, but my year ahead spread for next year was a lot of wand energy. So I wonder if perhaps this new man friend is influencing that, or if it's all part of it. I'm not sure. So I don't know, just rambling now. That's pretty par for the course for me. I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope this vlog wasn't too boring. Bye!